Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block ads on Android phone without any ads blocker app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now press on Network and Internet. Here you can see Private DNS. Click on this. In this page, you can see here three options: Off, Automatic and Private DNS Provider Hostname. You have to select here Private DNS Provider Hostname. And in this option, you have to type here dns.adgar.com. Now press and save. So this is how to block ads on Android phone without any ads blocker app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.